Here, write a program to input any two numbers and display the greatest among two numbers. So first understand the question. We need to input two numbers and check which one is greatest. So using function and sub procedure, let me show you the solution. Declare function GRE. Why we are not using here dollar? Because we need to display which one is greater. Maybe the value of A is greater, maybe value of B is greater. So we are displaying the number, not a string. Greatest number is 10, might be greatest number is 20. So we are not returning a string, we are returning a number. So that's why I haven't written here dollar. Now, CLS, enter any two numbers because we need to display this greatest among two numbers. So I have input the two numbers. Now to call the function procedure, we need to write function name, that is GRE a comma b bracket inside the bracket. Function returns a value, function will return greater number. So we are storing that greater number in X. Now print greatest number is X. So fine, end. Now here we need to write function GRE a comma b. Same thing, copy. Now if a greater than b, that means if value of a is greater than value of b, then which one is greater? Then GRE equals to a. In function, we need to return a value. To return the value, we should use function name, that is GRE. And if this condition is true, which one is greater? A. The value of a is greater. So I'm writing here a only, not inside the double quote, because we are returning the value of a. So GRE equals to a. Simple. Else GRE equals to b. If a is not greatest, then which one is greatest? B is greatest. No? Simple. And if and so. So in this way it works. Now in sub procedure, the same thing. Declare sub GRE comma b input, and then while calling you should use call statement, and inside the parameter a comma b we are passing two values. Sub GRE comma b, condition is same. If a greater than b, then sub procedure does not return a value, so print a is greatest number, else b is greatest number. We are using if, so we need to write end if and then end sub. So that's it. Hope you are clear with this concept. In the next video, we'll discuss more programs and I'll provide you a solution. You can check it out. Have a good day and see you in the next video.